Hey guys, today I will talk about how can you disable mail tracker and notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your name down here, and just click here on your name. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on mail tracker here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to mail tracker notifications. Just click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here mail tracker notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.